Moving on, Sister Lucy Kalapura, the nun who has spearheaded the protest against rape-accused Bishop Franco Mullakkal, has now ended her hunger strike after the intervention of the local police. Sister Lucy had made some explosive charges against the convent in Wayanad. She claimed that the convent is making her life difficult, not providing her food for the past 1 year. The nun also alleged that the lights and switchboard that she was using have been destroyed, and she was also forced to cook for herself. Earlier, Kerala High Court dismissed Sister Lucy's petition of providing police protection inside the convent. Lucy Kalapura has been fighting against an order of removing her from the congregation. She even appealed to the Vatican twice against her expulsion, but it was rejected. However, Kalapura said she would remain at the convent until she was given an opportunity to present her side. Gopi Krishnanithan is now joining us live for the latest right there. Gopi, she was on a hunger strike earlier and now she's ended her hunger strike. What led to her hunger strike ending? Because at the end of the day, the convent is not backing her. The Vatican has not backed her as well. And her fight against the rape accused Bishop Franco Mullakkal still continues.
Well, indeed, Sister Lucy Kalapura has been on lockerheads with this particular convent where she has been living for many years now. Even after she was expelled from the congregation, she has managed to stay inside this particular convent. And this hasn't really gone down well with the convent authorities. We have seen this Cold War evolving between the convent authorities, the Mother Superior and Sister Lucy Kalapura for a long time now. And yesterday evening, the latest trigger, according to Lucy Kalapura, was that the power sockets in the corridor which was leading to her room was destroyed and the power supply was disrupted in her room. This was actually the trigger for Sister Lucy Kalapura's hunger strike, which began yesterday. And after the local police was informed, the police authorities reached the convent and they had a discussion with Lucy Kalapura and the Mother Superior and other representatives from the convent. And by the late night, the power supply was restored in the area, after which Sister Lucy decided to call off her hunger strike. And this comes just few days after the Kerala High Court refused to pass an order in favor of Lucy, where she had actually asked for police protection. But however, the court has said that there is already a case pending before the local court or the trial court regarding whether or not Lucy can stay in that convent of FCC.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Gopi, for joining us with the very latest details right there. Moving on, after Punjab.